For decades, many people believed Nigeria's economic future would continue revolving around Lagos and Abuja. But quietly, another story has been unfolding hundreds of kilometers away. Across South East Nigeria, cities that were once regarded as regional commercial centers are now experiencing rapid expansion. Roads are stretching further into rural communities. Housing estates are replacing farmlands. Shopping plazas are multiplying. Universities attracting thousands of students. Industries are reopening, while new businesses emerge almost every day. From Enugu to Aba, from Onitsha to Nnewi, and from Awka to Owerri, a remarkable urban transformation is taking place. But why are these cities growing so fast? Is it population growth, industrialization, government investment, entrepreneurship, or is it something much deeper, rooted in Igbo culture and economic philosophy of the Igbo people? In this documentary, we will explore 8 of the fastest growing cities in Southeast Nigeria and uncover the forces driving their expansion. Unlike many regions where growth depends mainly on government spending, the Southeast has traditionally relied on private investment. The Igbo apprenticeship system, known locally as Igbo Boy, has produced thousands of entrepreneurs and eventually established businesses in their hometowns. According to the World Bank, small and medium-sized enterprises contribute significantly to employment across Nigeria, with the Southeast hosting one of the country's highest concentrations of indigenous manufacturing and trading businesses. Another important factor is remittances. Millions of Igbos living across Nigeria and abroad invest heavily in their homelands by building houses, opening businesses, funding schools, hospitals, and shopping complexes. Combined with increasing urban migration, these investments are transforming formerly modest towns into thriving urban centers. According to Nigeria's National Bureau of Statistics and the National Population Commission, urbanization continues to rise rapidly across southeastern Nigeria. Once known mainly as Nigeria's coal city, Enugu has reinvented itself. Today, it is becoming one of Nigeria's fastest growing administrative and technology hubs. Major roads construction, urban renewal projects, digital governance initiatives, and private real estate investment are changing the city's appearance. The current administration has embarked on the large-scale road construction, transport modernization, healthcare upgrades, and investment in education. Enugu is also positioning itself as a destination for technology startups and innovation. Institutions like University of Nigeria, Enugu State University of Science and Technology, and several innovation hubs continue attracting skilled young professionals. The city's relatively peaceful environment compared to larger metropolitan areas also make it attractive for retirees and investors. Owerri has become one of Nigeria's most vibrant hospitality destinations. Hotels, lounges, shopping malls, and residential estates continue expanding every year. The city benefits from a large diaspora population that returns home during festive seasons, injecting billions of naira into the local economy. Owerri is also surrounded by several high institutions, including Federal University of Technology Owerri, creating continuous demand for housing and commercial services. Improved road infrastructure linking Owerri to Aba, Port Harcourt, and Onitsha has further accelerated commercial activities. Private developers continue building new estates on the outskirts, expanding the city's boundaries rapidly. Awka has undergone dramatic transformation since becoming the capital of Anambra State in 1991. Government ministries, educational institutions, housing development, and private investment have reshaped the city. Large flyovers, improved highways, modern government buildings, and shopping complexes have emerged within the last decade. Its proximity to Onitsha and Nnewi gives Awka access to two of West Africa's biggest commercial and industrial ecosystems. The city is also home to Nnamdi Azikiwe University, attracting students from across Nigeria. Urban planners believe Awka still has significant room for expansion because of available land around its outskirts. Unlike some neighboring cities, Umuahia's growth has been gradual but steady. As Abia State's capital, government institutions provide a stable economic foundation. Road rehabilitation projects, healthcare improvement, and housing development have gradually expanded the city's urban footprint. Agriculture remains an important contributor to Umuahia's economy. Its central location also connects major commercial corridors within southeastern Nigeria. Private schools, hospitals, and shopping centers continue attracting residents from nearby towns. Many analysts believe Umuahia's greatest growth may still lie ahead as infrastructure improves further. Few cities have changed dramatically as Abakaliki, known historically for rice farming and salt deposits. The city is now experiencing extensive modernization, modern road construction projects, new flyovers, modern markets, educational institutions, and healthcare investment have transformed the state's capital. Ebonyi State has invested heavily in urban infrastructure over the past decade. The state's rice production industry has also strengthened Abakaliki's regional importance. Improved transportation links now connect the city more efficiently with Enugu, Abia, and Cross River states. The combination of agriculture, education, and infrastructure continues attracting businesses and residents. No discussion about Southeast growth is complete without Onitsha, home to the famous Onitsha main market, often regarded as one of West Africa's largest market by volume of trade. The city remains one of Nigeria's commercial powerhouses. Every day, thousands of trucks enter and leave Onitsha carrying goods across Nigeria and neighboring countries. The completion of the second Niger Bridge has significantly improved connectivity between Anambra and Delta State. This has reduced travel time and improved logistics for businesses. Real estate development continues expanding beyond the traditional city center into surrounding communities. Commercial banking, transportation, and wholesale trade remain major drivers of Onitsha's economy. Aba has long been famous for manufacturing. The famous Owerri International Market houses thousands of artisans producing footwears, clothing, leather products, and industrial goods. Locally made in Aba products now compete nationally and increasingly internationally. Road reconstruction and electricity improvement around industrial clusters have encouraged renewed investment. Entrepreneurs continue opening factories, producing shoes, bags, garments, cosmetics, and plastics. The city's entrepreneurial culture ensures continuous innovation despite economic challenges. Aba's strategic location between Port Harcourt, Owerri, and Umuahia also strengthened its logistic advantages. Nnewi is often called the Japan of Africa. The nickname comes from its extraordinary concentration of manufacturers and industrial entrepreneurs. Companies such as Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing have placed Nnewi on Africa's industrial map. Thousands of smaller factories produce automobile parts, plastics, electrical components, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. The city's industrial ecosystem demonstrates what indigenous private investments can achieve. Unlike many industrial cities created by government planning, Nnewi's growth emerged primarily from local entrepreneurship. Today, its influence extends far beyond southeastern Nigeria. Although each city has unique strengths, several common factors explain their rapid expansion. First is entrepreneurship. The Southeast has one of Africa's strongest culture of small business ownership. Second is diaspora investment. Billions of naira flow back annually from Nigerians abroad into housing, education, healthcare, and commerce. Third is education. The region hosts numerous universities, polytechnics, and colleges producing skilled graduates. Fourth is strategic geography. Most of these cities are interconnected by highways that facilitate trade across southern Nigeria. Finally, infrastructure improvement by state government continue making these cities more attractive to investors. Rapid growth also creates significant challenges. Traffic congestion continues worsening in Onitsha, Aba, and Owerri. Urban planning often struggles to keep pace with new development. Drainage systems remain inadequate in several cities, contributing to flooding during heavy rains. Electricity supply remains inconsistent despite improvement in some industrial clusters. Waste management and affordable housing also require greater investment. Experts argue that sustainable urban planning will determine whether these cities maintain their current growth trajectory. The rapid rise of Southeast cities is not an accident. It is the product of decades of entrepreneurship, private investment, education, diaspora support, and increasing infrastructure development. Enugu is becoming a modern administrative and innovation hub. Owerri continues expanding as a hospitality and residential destination. Awka has evolved into a thriving state capital. Umuahia is quietly building momentum. Abakaliki has transformed through infrastructure and agriculture. Onitsha remains one of Africa's greatest trading centers. Aba continues proving that local manufacturing can compete nationally. And Nnewi stands as one of Africa's finest examples of indigenous industrial success. Together, these cities represent a new chapter in Nigeria's urban story. Their continued success will not depend only on economic growth, but also on sustainable planning, improved infrastructure, and policies that encourage innovation and investment. If current trend continues, Southeast Nigeria could become one of West Africa's most dynamic regional economies over the coming decades. The story is still being written, and the next chapter may be even more remarkable than the last. The story of Southeast Nigeria is still unfolding, from the bustling markets of Onitsha and Aba to the industrial strength of Nnewi, the modern skyline of Enugu, the steady rise of Awka, the hospitality of Owerri, and the quiet progress of Umuahia, and the transformation of Abakaliki. These cities are proving that vision, resilience, entrepreneurship, and strategic investment can reshape an entire region. The question is no longer whether these cities are growing. The real question is how far they can go over the next decade. Will they become some of Africa's leading commercial and industrial hubs? Only time will tell, but the signs are already visible. Now we would love to hear from you. Which Southeast city do you think is developing the fastest, and why? Is it Enugu, Owerri, Awka, Umuahia, Abakaliki, Onitsha, Aba, or Nnewi? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your perspective could spark an interesting conversation with viewers from across Nigeria and around the world. If you enjoyed this documentary and want more well-researched stories about Southeast, Igboland, and Nigeria's economy, infrastructure, culture, history, and development, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next documentary. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a support to the channel. And until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep believing in Africa's future. Goodbye.